Very short introduction to data science. What is data science? Data science is not a new term. I don't know if this was the first reference on data science, maybe before, but this is a very famous article. Data scientist, the sexiest job of the 21st century. I have to admit, it is a good job. It's really fun in working data science, but it's also a challenge. It's a communication challenge, it's a know-how challenge, and also that not all data science tasks are very well defined. So what is data science? Data science, it's all about finding the gold nuggets in data or in big data. It is about extracting value out of data. The challenge is, what is value for a company? What is value for you? This is one of the biggest challenges also data scientists have to solve. The original data science elements, I'm not 100% sure if this is the original source through Conway, that, okay, we need three different skills or the intersection of three different topics. This is the definition of data science. So one thing is about math and statistical knowledge. The other is about hacking skills, and then the domain know-how. I would agree on these three topics. If you go in each of these topics, so programming, you could say it's all about automation. I mean, a program is a process that leads from original formulation of purpose to executable computer programs. So this is automation. It's about programming or hacking. So statistics and math, if you look how statistics is defined, statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with data collections, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation. This is a definition of statistics. That means statistics, it's all about data. And of course, business. We need a purpose of a business. And I think it was Peter Drucker who said it. The purpose of a business is to create a customer. And I would 100% agree. When thinking and working in the industry, it's all about bring value for your customer. Why is it so dangerous to do only two things together, so coding and business? So this is often called the danger zone. In fact, it is an automation of gut feeling 2.0. So mostly the automation of gut feeling always starts with rules, with simple rules. If this, then that. And then you add another rule. If this, then that. If this, then that. And sooner or later, you chain up a lot of different exceptions. And at the end, no one is able to touch the code again because they are not deriving the automations through data. The automation of modern art is sometimes called the coding plus statistics know-how. That means we have a kind of problems which we try to solve, which has no business relevance. If the business is not in, coding plus statistics, this is the art zone. In fact, we are solving problems which never occurs. Or in fact, we are defining even new problems. Gut feeling 2.0 gets proven wrong is when business and statistics is coming together without computer science, without automation. So in fact, they start with theories, they have new ideas, and then before they are proven, the theory, they have already a new idea. So this is when business people and statistics people are not aligning with computer science or the enterprise IT integration. A good understanding of data science can deliver value at each intersection. There's not only value in the center of the data science triangle, it is between correct data usage and automation. There is a lot of value. You could bring in value enrichment, data accessibility, data curation, you extract information, you're doing a sentiment analysis. You have a lot of value between automation and best decisions. So the business value itself. So the business value is all about good or best decisions. And here we have the field of process automation. Typically, it's all about reducing manual effort, increase automation levels to support better decisions. And we have also value in the intersection of correct data usage and the best decisions. and the business value. That's often one-off statistic analysis, so single analysis, ad hoc analysis. There's a problem. We would like to calculate the root cause. Why happened this or that? And we need this. And we are doing visualization. That means when data science is correctly applied, there is value at each intersection. And of course, there's also danger in each intersection, as we have seen before. Finally, data science is a team sport. And you have to make your hand dirty. You have to touch the data. You have to do it. You have to program it. You have to deliver it. It is a team sport. And you cannot deliver data science on PowerPoints. That's the reason why we have as well here programming exercise.